So over here you can see that I have a blog, and then this blog has a certain formatting applied to it. So what you can do is whatever format that you have applied, what you can do is you can back this up by using the backup theme option, so that if you decide to restore the theme or use this theme in another blog of yours, then you can easily go around and apply that theme. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto my dashboard right here and then go around under themes. Once you go around over here, you can see that my theme is an option, and under the customize, you can see this little dot right here that you can click, and then you can click on backup. Once you do that, it allows you to create a backup of your theme, meaning you can download the theme XML file. I'm just going to go around over here and rename this to, for example, TutorTube example.xml right here, and click on save right here. Once you do that, the theme has been downloaded, and that's it. That's how you can go around and back up your theme for future use inside of Blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.